Welcome to Globetrotter's Guide, where your travel experience begins. Ever thought about backpacking in Europe? It's more than a mere travel plan. It's an invitation to explore a tapestry of diverse cultures, enchanting landscapes, and captivating experiences. Europe, with its medley of history and modernity, offers a unique allure to the curious backpacker. From the cobblestone streets of old towns to the high-tech cities, from the sun-kissed Mediterranean beaches to snow-capped alpine peaks, there's a world waiting to be discovered. Stay tuned as we delve into essential tips and must-see destinations for an unforgettable backpacking trip in Europe. Before embarking on your European journey, you need a well-thought-out plan and a realistic budget. Now let's get real about this. Backpacking through Europe isn't just a walk in the park. It requires planning, researching, and budgeting that's as meticulous as a Swiss watchmaker. Think about the potential costs. From the romantic streets of Paris to the historic ruins of Rome, the costs can vary dramatically. And it's not just about the airfare. You'll need to consider accommodations, from hostels to hotels, and let's not forget about food. Whether you're a fan of Spanish tapas or Italian gelato, your palate might be adventurous, but your wallet might not. Add in travel costs, sightseeing, and other miscellaneous expenses, and you'll quickly realize that budgeting isn't just an option, it's a necessity. But don't let this discourage you. There's a thrill in planning the perfect trip that fits within your budget. Remember, a well-planned trip is a successful trip. Finding the right place to rest your head after a day of exploration is crucial. Let's dive into the world of accommodations. There are a plethora of options to suit every traveler's style and budget. Firstly, hostels are a backpacker's best friend. They're affordable, social, and often located in the heart of the city. You'll find dormitory-style rooms and sometimes private rooms too. For those who prefer a bit more privacy, budget hotels are the way to go. They provide the essentials without the hefty price tag of luxury hotels. If you're an adventurer at heart, why not consider camping? Europe is dotted with stunning campgrounds that will bring you closer to nature. Regardless of your choice, remember to book in advance, especially during peak season. Last-minute bookings can be a gamble, and you don't want to be left stranded. Additionally, always check reviews before making a reservation. Past travelers' experiences can be a goldmine of information. Choosing the right accommodation can make or break your trip, so choose wisely. Europe's public transport system can seem daunting, but it's actually your best friend. It's like a charming companion who takes you on a whirlwind tour of the continent's most beautiful cities, bypassing traffic and offering a slice of local life. You see, in Europe, public transport is more than just a means of getting from point A to point B. It's a cultural experience. The London Underground, the trams of Amsterdam, the Paris Metro, they're all part of the city's heartbeat. Now, how do you navigate this? Well, it's simpler than it looks. Most European cities have user-friendly apps that guide you through routes, schedules, and ticket purchases. And remember, always validate your ticket to avoid fines. Respecting local customs is also key. Keep your voice down and avoid eating on board. It's all about blending in, not standing out. Master the public transport system and you're well on your way to a smooth journey. One of the best parts of any travel experience is the food and drinks. Ah, the culinary delights that await you in Europe. From Italy's divine pasta to France's exquisite wine, there's a world of flavors to discover. But how do you find the best local cuisine without breaking the bank? Well, for starters, steer clear of tourist traps. Instead, follow the locals. They know where to find mouth-watering, wallet-friendly meals. Street food and local markets are also gold mines of delicious and affordable food. Embrace the unknown. Try foods that might seem strange to you. You never know, that snail dish in France or haggis in Scotland might become your new favorite. Respect local culinary customs. If it's customary to eat with hands in Spain, do so. If it's polite to finish all your food in Germany, try your best. Remember, to truly experience a culture, you must taste it. Europe is full of must-see destinations, each with its unique charm. Let's start with the City of Lights, Paris. It's not just about the Eiffel Tower or the Louvre Museum. Wander through the Montmartre district where art and history mingle, or take a boat ride down the Seine River at sunset. Next, let's journey to the heart of Italy, Rome. The Colosseum and Roman Forum may steal the spotlight, but don't miss the mouth-watering gelato shops tucked away in the city's cobblestone streets. Heading north, we find ourselves in the land of the Vikings, Scandinavia. In Norway, the fjords alone are worth the trip, while Sweden's Stockholm is a vibrant city that's a blend of old and new. But Europe isn't just about famous cities, it's also home to hidden gems like the Plitvice Lakes in Croatia, a natural wonderland of cascading waterfalls and turquoise lakes. Or the fairy tale town of Rothenburg ob der Tauber in Germany, where time seems to have stood still. And let's not forget the sun-soaked beaches of Spain's Costa Brava or the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps. From the bustling bazaars of Istanbul to the serene landscapes of Scotland's Highlands, the list goes on. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, a nature lover, or just someone seeking a unique adventure, Europe offers an array of experiences that are as diverse as they are delightful. Remember, Europe is vast, diverse, and endlessly enchanting. There's something for everyone. So, are you ready to embark on your European backpacking journey? This has been quite a ride, hasn't it? Let's recap what we've covered. Remember, planning and budgeting are your trusty compass and map. They will guide you through your journey, ensuring you don't stray off your path or run out of resources. Choosing the right accommodation is your cozy campfire, providing comfort and warmth after a long day of exploration. Navigating public transport is your trusty steed, whisking you away to your next exciting destination. Trying local cuisine? That's the spice in your journey, adding flavor and zest to your experiences. And the must-see destinations? They are the vistas, the breathtaking peaks, and the serene valleys of your journey. They are the memories you'll cherish, and the stories tell. With these tips in your backpack, you're ready to start European dream. The adventure awaits. Thank you for joining us on this adventure and see you in the next video.